We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Illmn stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side, is a bearish red doji. We do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint, adding second level highs, also adding third level highs. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. So price action, last candle in the market, like I said, is a bearish red doji. Current price is posted at 210.75. So market is coming down from our overall pattern. So we've got to see if that market's gonna work its way down or catch some support below the second last candle and work its way up. So we have an overall, let's say that market does come down from this area. We have an overall structure that is coming from. And we can see it right here for that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market push down for that fourth. So we had a full fourth leg push, and it's also a retest with this bearish red candle here. So we got a full push down with the fourth leg. So market broke the SR line, second last candle came back to retest. Price action candle, which is the doji, has worked its way sideways. So we still waiting. So that market's consolidating with price second and third, the last candle. So if that market breaks retest, that means we're looking for a bearish red candle to engulf the previous candle, which will be second last candle, third last candle, or identify a pattern in that area. That market's going to drop, and market's coming down for that break and retest of that SR line. Or that market can't consolidate in that area between the third to last candle in the market. Or that market can, like I said before, create that area of support and identify coming down in red would be the first leg, second leg is the green candle, third leg is price action. If we receive a bearish red candle, if we receive a bullish green candle, market work its way up from a double bottom pattern, and price will be headed back up to the previous numbers of 239.68. And then we are looking maybe for a candle to form a pattern of a retest, or we may just see that market push up to a certain extent, come back to retest that near that number of 239.68, and then push up further to the next level. And then we'll be looking for a price to come up to maybe about level 341. So let's head down the time frame to see what's going on in the weekly time frame. Okay, price action on the weekly time frame is a bullish green candle with a wick down to the bottom, so it's creating an area of support. So let's draw out what we see. Below price, there's also a pattern, so let's draw it out. We do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up. So market's coming from a triple bottom. Okay, so we have that triple bottom push. Market came all the way back down to retest this previous area. And if it's respected with this price action candle with the push down to the bottom of that wick, market can respect this area and then push up from a triple bottom and a retest. And then price will be seeing price head back to previous numbers of 239.68. And let's say if that market is going to drop from that area and drop down further, and it can go as low as 182.52, then I'll be looking for, and we do have it already, so we do have that break of the market. It came back for overall retest, and the market pushed down once. All we need is another bullish candle, or a candle identifying there's going to be additional pushes. Another bearish candle, and something identifying that that market's going to come down. So all we want to see is a bearish red candle to engulf the price action candle, or identify a pattern in that area for that market to come down. So it'll be a break, a retest, and the market push down to that area, came back to retest with price. If we receive a bearish red candle, it's coming down from that area from a double top. Or we can receive that consolidation near the red SR line. So market will just be working its way sideways within this area of price second and maybe some of third last candle bottom. Walking down to the daily time frame, we have price action as a bullish green candle coming from a area of support. So price looks like it is headed back up to the previous numbers of 217.59. So let's identify what we see. So if that market is going to be respected for this area and it's work its way up, we do have that price action engulfed in the previous second, third, fourth, the last candle in the market, which can close out and still push up further. So far it's looking like it's pushing up. So we do have that overall structure pattern of that first leg coming down, second leg, third leg, and is respected here, and market's pushing up for that fourth. So right now we are looking for price to head back up to 217. And let's say if that market is rejected here, let's say it's going to stop and it may not work its way up further. We'll identify that walking down the time frame. So identify multiple pushes as a pattern coming from this area of high, which would be the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market push once, retest, and market push twice, came back to retest again. So that means price would be coming from multiple pushes to that top, about 4 pushes to that top. That's a quadruple top. And then came back for a retest. And if it's rejected here, we'll see a pattern that can identify itself from Forex pattern cheat sheet, and price can work its way down to the next level or the previous level, nearing the range of 194.23. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame, we have price action is a bullish green doji, is a weak candle side by side with the second last candle. So it's basically 2 pushes to that top of a resistance, identifying a double top. On a 3-hour time frame, now we have 3 pushes to that top. That's identifying a triple top. So market's having a hard time breaking 3 times. Now we're on a 2-hour time frame. We see a triple top. Market tagged that area 3 times. On the 1-hour time frame, now we have a little bit of structure in here. So market spiked up, second last candle retest, and price is hanging out that bottom of that support. So we gotta see what's gonna happen. Price action being a doji, needs something to engulf that candle to push that market in that direction. Reading the same thing on the 45-minute time frame. Also reading the same thing, a 30-minute time frame. Price second, third, fourth last candle, fifth last candle are all within each other. So that's markets consolidating. So we're looking to see a breakout of that area. 15-minute time frame, starting to see some structure. So this market is going to respect this area. We're looking for that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market breaks this area, come back to retest near the numbers of 211 and work its way up. 5-minute time frame, we can see that clear consolidation. So as I say, the market's going to work its way down, coming from an overall pattern to that top of that resistance. So spiked up once, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and markets can come back down to previous numbers near 210. If we receive the break, we're looking for the retest or a pattern to identify 210, and markets work its way down through that consolidation line that we created. On a 3-minute time frame, price second last candles all within each other. So it's just a huge consolidation going on, still waiting for the pattern to identify itself for the breakout. So right now, price is hanging out that bottom of support. On the 1-minute time frame, same as well. Market just tagged that area, that midpoint of that consolidation of the high and the low. So we're still waiting for that market to identify itself with some type of pattern, or a bullish engulfing pattern, or bearish engulfing pattern to engulf the previous price second, third, fourth, the last candle in the market to push that market up in a direction or down that direction. Very important information. Please study and review. Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. ILMN stock.